Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at these Versace eyeglasses model VE1260 in color code 1456. The color of the frame is gold. On its temple is a protective sleeve to make sure that the frame doesn't get scratched or damaged. These glasses are also an oval shape. And the temples are black. And the Versace logo is also going across the temple. This is the inside of the frame. And both temples are the same. The Versace logo is also engraved on its bottom left lens. On its inner right temple is the Versace logo and that it's made in Italy, as well as a serial number. On its inner left temple is the model number, color code, and dimensions of the frame. 54 is for its lens, 16 is for its bridge, and 140 is for its temples. The glasses also come with a Versace gift box, a Versace hard case, a Versace booklet, and a Versace cleaning cloth. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested to check out these glasses or any of the glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.